Welcome back to our channel. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many people. It means having enough income, savings, and investments to afford the lifestyle you desire without relying heavily on others. This journey requires commitment, strategic planning, and sound financial management. We are releasing a series of videos on this topic to help you completely understand it, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep watching the next videos as well. In this video, I'll walk you through actionable steps to help you reach financial freedom. Financial freedom is not just about having a large bank account. It's about financial security, independence, and peace of mind. You are financially free when your passive income covers your living expenses, allowing you to make life choices without worrying about finances. Many confuse financial freedom with wealth, but it's more than that. It's about controlling your finances and making money work for you. To reach this point, you need a clear roadmap, discipline, and a plan. The first step toward financial freedom is setting specific and measurable financial goals. These goals could include saving for retirement, paying off debts, or creating multiple income streams. Start by identifying what financial freedom means to you. How much money do you need to achieve it? What do you want to accomplish, and in what time frame? This clarity will guide your journey. Write down your goals and break them into actionable steps. For instance, if you want to retire with $1 million in savings, calculate how much you need to save monthly to reach that target. Setting clear goals helps you stay on track and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Budgeting is a fundamental tool for financial freedom. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of where your money is going. A well-structured budget helps you allocate your income wisely, avoid unnecessary expenses, and save more. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Categorize your expenses into essential, rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essential, entertainment, dining out. Aim to reduce non-essential spending and direct those funds towards saving and investing. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% of your income should go to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Sticking to this structure can significantly improve your financial health over time. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. This fund is essential to prevent you from going into debt during unforeseen circumstances. A general rule is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. If you're just starting, aim for a smaller goal, such as saving $1,000, and gradually increase it. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. This ensures you can access the money quickly when needed, while also earning interest. Debt can be one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can accumulate quickly and drain your financial resources. To reach financial freedom, it's crucial to pay off these debts as soon as possible. Start by making a list of all your debts, including interest rates and balances. Focus on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first, as these cost you the most in the long run. This approach is known as the avalanche method. Alternatively, you can use the snowball method, which involves paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum. Choose the method that works best for you and stay consistent in your efforts to eliminate debt. Investing is a key component of reaching financial freedom. Through smart investments, your money can grow over time, creating additional income streams and increasing your wealth. Start by learning about different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each investment has its own level of risk and potential return, so it's important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Consider contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, to save for the future while reducing your tax liability. Additionally, look into index funds and ETFs, which offer broad market exposure and lower fees than actively managed funds. Compounding interest is your greatest ally in building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts to make the process easier and more consistent. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially if that income is tied to a job. To reach financial freedom, it's important to create multiple income streams, such as side hustles, investments, or passive income sources. Look for ways to diversify your income. This could include starting a business, freelancing, or investing in rental properties. Passive income streams, such as dividends or royalties, can provide a steady cash flow with little ongoing effort. Explore opportunities in the gig economy, such as driving for ride-sharing services, delivering groceries, or offering online courses. These side hustles can provide extra income that can be directed toward savings or investments. Reaching financial freedom often means having enough saved for retirement. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better off you'll be in the long run. Contribute to retirement accounts, such as a 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it, as it's essentially free money. Aim to contribute at least 15% of your income toward retirement savings. As your income grows, increase your contributions to your retirement accounts. This ensures that you're saving enough to maintain your lifestyle during retirement and reach financial independence. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to reach financial freedom is by living below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Avoid the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle every time you receive a raise or bonus. Instead, save or invest the extra income. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather being mindful of your spending and prioritizing your financial goals. Focus on what truly matters to you and cut back on expenses that don't align with your values. For example, if travel is important to you, budget for it while cutting back on dining out or entertainment. Reaching financial freedom is not a quick process. It requires discipline, patience, and consistent effort. Stay committed to your financial goals, even when it feels challenging. Track your progress regularly and celebrate small wins along the way. Adjust your plan as needed, but always keep your long-term vision in mind. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and staying informed is key to making smart decisions. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, attend seminars, or take online courses on financial topics. Follow financial experts and stay updated on market trends and economic changes. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Automating your finances can help you stay on track with your financial goals and reduce the risk of overspending. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts, as well as automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. By automating your finances, you'll ensure that you're consistently saving and investing even when life gets busy. This takes the guesswork out of managing your money and makes it easier to stay disciplined. As you build wealth, it's important to protect your assets with insurance and estate planning. Ensure that you have adequate health, life, and disability insurance to cover unexpected events. Additionally, consider creating a will or trust to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. This step is especially important if you have dependents or significant assets. Insurance and estate planning may not be the most exciting aspects of financial freedom, but they are essential for protecting your hard-earned wealth. Financial freedom takes time and effort. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes that promise instant wealth with little work. These schemes are often scams that can leave you in a worse financial position. Stick to proven methods for building wealth, such as saving, investing, and creating multiple income streams. While these strategies may take longer, they offer more stability and security in the long run. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your financial journey. Surround yourself with financially savvy individuals who can offer support, advice, and accountability. Join a financial group or find a mentor who has achieved financial freedom. These relationships can help you stay motivated and provide valuable insights as you work toward your goals. Reaching financial freedom is possible with the right mindset, discipline, and strategy. By setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, investing wisely, and building multiple income streams, you can achieve financial independence and live the life you desire. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed to your goals, educate yourself, and make smart financial decisions along the way. With time and effort, you can achieve the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.